Hi, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here's the viral Korean rice mask tutorial that you all have been waiting for. To make this, you're going to need 1 cup of rice and 3 cups of water. Before we cook the rice, I want you to rinse the rice 2 to 3 times. This helps remove impurities such as dust, dirt, debris, and excess starch, all the stuff we don't want on our skin. You should cook in a rice cooker, but if you don't have one, you can just boil it over your stovetop in a pot. I suggest, if it's your first time making this rice mask, to start with a smaller batch, so use a 1/4 cup of rice and 1 cup of water. Once your rice is nice and soft, you can pour the rice mixture into your blender until it becomes smooth. Add more water if you want your mask to be more runny, but I prefer my mask to be a bit more on the thicker side. This recipe is super customizable to suit your preferences. Once you get the consistency that you like, pour it into a bowl and let the rice mask cool down. Please do not put boiling hot rice on your face. Leave the rice mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off and continue on with the rest of your skincare routine. If you have extra rice mask left over, you can store it in the fridge for up to a week. I honestly love this mask so much because it's so easy to make and the skin benefits are amazing. It brightens hyperpigmentation, soothes redness, and helps with acne. Thanks so much for watching, and please let me know what other videos you'd like me to make.
Bye.
I'll see you in the next video. And thanks so much, like and subscribe for more. See you soon, besties.